Good morning, students. So let us start with once again the chapter of a 10, and we have seen about the types of the mirror. Now we are going to see a very important part, that is a Cartesian sign convention for a spherical mirror, and we are going to see about a magnification done by a mirror with the help of a mirror formula. First, we'll see about a very important part, that is called as a Cartesian sign. To identify any things, it is necessary to put it in a proper plane, whether it is a 2D or 3D. Here we are going to see about a Cartesian sign. I had already drawn this diagram. If we draw a line segment, one is called as an x-axis, this is called as an y-axis. That all points on this x-axis is positive. Here y-axis, all points is positive. In a downward direction, y-axis, all points is negative. And here all the points are is positive, negative for a x-axis. So here x-axis is negative, x-axis positive, y-axis positive, y-axis is negative. At the center, means at the origin, I had put the P. The point of this particular thing is a 0, 0. Because of this, we are able to identify and get a exact results pertaining to this particular part. Here, this is called as an object. If you compare with this y-axis, height h is going to become positive. The image which I am going to get is a negative y-axis. So because of that, it is going to in a downward direction. So the value of h dash, means the image height, is negative. This is called as a P, means a point where I am going to get is a 0, 0. If I will find it out about the center, that value, means the radius, is also a negative. If I want to measure it, then value will become positive, but the distance from here, means the value of C, will be a negative. Value of F, suppose this image is forming at F, then it will be a negative. Distance H is a parallel to this, so this will is going to become positive, this is going to become a negative. Based on this, some Cartesian sign has been given. The object is always placed on the left of the mirror, left side of the mirror. This implies that the light from the object falls on the mirror on the left hand side. यहाँ से इस तरफ आएगा. Is first, all the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. P से हम सबको measure करेंगे. All the distance measured to the right of the origin along the positive x-axis and taken as a positive, while the measure on the left from the origin, that is called as a negative. So distance measured perpendicular to the above principal axis along this called as a positive y-axis, and below it is known as a negative. So the new Cartesian sign convention described about the illustrated in a 10.9 that you will learn in a sums. So for some purpose you have to remember this particular Cartesian sign. Here all the value of object height is positive, image height is negative. Now if I will take the value from here to here, this is F focus, then the value is negative. This is also called as a distance of image formation. So image formation is also negative. If I will take this, then this value, this is called as an R, object distance, is also negative. C means a radius, we can say this is called as a radius. So this is R, so value of R will be a negative. So anything which is measured on this side will be a negative, so you have to keep this thing in mind. Based on this, we have got a mirror formula. That mirror formula says that 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 upon r by 2. As we have already proved, r by 2 is equal to f. So I will substitute and replace this value with the help of f. So I am going to get the value is 1 by u plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by f. Same formula, if I will change, I can write 1 by u plus 1 by v is going to become 2 by r. This is a other form of mirror formula. Here we have seen about the Cartesian sign. This is a 3 marks question. Cartesian sign. For spherical mirror. You have to remember these particular things. If you draw in a rough, you are able to give the answers pertaining to this particular part. Now, based on this, we had got a mirror formula. Now let us see in your textbook how that mirror formula has been considered. Let us see over here. Mirror formula and magnification. In a spherical mirror, the distance of the object from the pole is called the object distance, that is called the u. Suppose ये मैं consider करता हूँ, as I had already told you, that is called the u. ये जो part होगा, that is called the u. So u is always negative. So distance of the image from the pole of the mirror is called the image distance. That is this part. P to B dash is always negative. So it is called as a V. So value of V is also negative. So you already know that the distance of the principal focus from the pole is called the focal length. There is a relationship between a three quantities given by the mirror formula which we have just learned. That is a mirror formula which states that 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This formula is valid in all situations for all the spherical mirror for the position of the object. Now, new Cartesian sign convention while substituting a numerical value for U, V and F and R in the mirror formula for solving the following problems. Now we are going to see a very important terminology, magnification. What is the size of the image and object? इमेज के वर्सेस ऑब्जेक्ट का कितना है, मीन्स दिस एच डैश वर्सेस एच रेशियो इज कॉल्ड एज मैग्निफिकेशन. रेशियो ऑफ एच डैश वर्सेस एच इज कॉल्ड मैग्निफिकेशन. यानी ऑब्जेक्ट और इमेज के बीच में कितना साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट वी आर एबल टू गेट विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस. हियर we will see that right definition. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror gives the relative extent to which the image of an object is magnified with respect to the object size. It expressed as, so we can write this as a definition of this particular part. Magnification is expressed in the ratio of the height of the image to the height of a object represented by a letter M. This is your important definition of magnification. It is asked in a VSQ 1 mark or maybe in a 2 mark. If h is the height of the object, which we have seen over here, this is h, this is a h dash. So if h is the height of the object and h dash is the height of the image, then the magnification M produced by the spherical mirror is given by M, height of the image, that is h dash, and height of the object, that is equal to h. So magnification is equal to h dash by h. So the magnification M is also related to the object distance. U पे भी डिपेंड करेगा एंड V पे भी, कहाँ पे इमेज फॉर्म हुई और कहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट रखा है. So it can be expressed as magnification m. h dash क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? इमेज. So we can write a v dash v upon object distance u. So v by u हम लिख सकते हैं, माइनस माइनस साइन है, it is going to be get cancel. So we are going to get that is a v by u, image distance upon object distance. So you may note that height of the object is taken to be a positive as the object is usually placed above the principal axis. Height of the object, this is called as the height of the object, and this distance is called as u. U का वैल्यू नेगेटिव, v का वैल्यू भी नेगेटिव, माइनस एंड माइनस विल गेट कैंसल, एंड हियर v डैश v बाय u करेंगे, माइनस माइनस विल गेट कैंसल. सो दिस विल बी ए पॉजिटिव एंड दिस विल बी ए नेगेटिव. हियर image should be taken as a positive for virtual image. However, it is to be taken as a negative for a real image. A negative sign of this value of the magnification indicate that image is real. A positive sign in the value of the magnification indicate that image is virtual. So this part is a very important. A positive sign in the value of the magnification indicate that image is virtual. If same thing, if I moved over there, so I am going to get a that height of the object is a positive. If that same image is formed on this side of the mirror, then it is a real. अगर real होगा तो back side पे, and it is a larger. So h dash upon h, this value will be a positive. So from that we come to this particular point that if I will put between P and F, then I am going to get behind the mirror. So it is called as a virtual. क्या बोला जाएगा? Virtual. So both the h dash and h, if it is a positive, then it will be a virtual. Otherwise, in all the cases, it will be a real, because it is going to get in a downward direction. We are going to get in a downward direction. No? So this is called as a real. If it reaches on a back side, then it is called as a virtual. Here, based on this, we are going to solve a certain problem. For that, you have to remember one very important formula: 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 by f. Another formula which you have to remember is magnification. Height of the image is h dash and height of the object is h. Magnification is based on h dash by h. H dash is image upon object. So h dash upon h is equal to v by u, image distance and object distance. Now let us see over here. Magnification is equal to h dash upon h, that is image upon object. If h dash is a positive and h is also positive, then nature is virtual. Are you agree with this? As per condition which we have seen on a diagram, is this which I had already told you in my last lecture, that both will be a positive, and due to that you are going to get this type of the image. So nature of the image is going to become virtual and erect. You have to remember this particular condition in a proper way. Based on this, it is going to be asked certain sums pertaining to this particular part. Now we have seen about the part of the magnification. Now let us see a sum number 10.1. Convex mirror है, used for a rear view on a automobile. radius of the curvature is 3 meter. If a bus is located 5 मीटर पीछे बस आ रहा है from the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. तो radius of the curvature r कितना हो जाएगा? +3. Object distance u is in a negative size because it is a convex, so you have to remember this. What is the nature? Convex mirror है, so u will be a negative. -5. Image distance v, that we have to find it out. Height of the image h dash, we have to find it out. Focal length f is equal to r by 2, that is 3 by 2, that is equal to plus 1.5 meter, as the principal focus of a convex mirror is behind the mirror. Since 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, that is called as a mirror formula. So 1 by v, now I will take this term on this side, 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to plus 1.5 minus 1 upon minus 5. Minus and minus is going to become plus. So 1 upon 1.5 plus 1 upon 5. If I will take the LCM, remove this point if you are facing a problem. Just एक जीरो कम करेंगे, 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 50 कर दीजिए. If you will take the LCM of this, then you will get 5 को इस तरफ, 1.5 on this side, 5.00 plus 1.50 upon 5 and 6.5, 6.5 and 7.5. This is the value of 1 upon v. Please remember that. So if I want to find it out v, तो v क्या हो जाएगा? 7.50 upon 5 and 6, 6.50. Agree? This step which has been written is an intermediate step. Reciprocal हो जाएगा ना 1 upon v का, because I want the value of v, not the value of 1 by v. Please do not do a silly mistakes on this particular part. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा एरर होने के चांसेस होते हैं, सो थोड़ा ये याद रख लीजिए. So v plus 7.50 and 6.50, that is going to give you value of v is 1.15. Now if you will see, the value of u is equal to -5, value of v is equal to 1.50. So image is 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. Back of the mirror मिलेगा as per the convex mirror है ये. So these are correct answers. Now the image is 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. So magnification is equal to h dash upon h. Now here value of v will be a positive and value of u will be a negative. So sign will be a minus. So 1.15 upon -5 meter था. So I will make minus and minus will be a plus. 1.15 divided by 5, I am going to get the answer is plus 0.23. Image is nature. This is a very important thing. Virtual, erect and smaller in size by factor of 0.23. Please repeat these sums 2 times. Here same type of the sums may ask in an exam. It is having a weightage of 3 marks in against of or in a that or में with a Cartesian sign और explain a mirror formula का फॉर्म में. 3 मार्क का जो क्वेश्चन होता है उसके बिल्कुल और के अंदर ये पूछने के चांसेस होते हैं. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस पर्टिकुलर सम्स. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज रिवर्ट. व्हेन वी विल मीट वी विल सॉल्व दिस सम्स वंस अगेन. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इज दिस v by u जो हमने लिखा था आगे मैग्नीफिकेशन में, उसके बदले h डैश है. वैल्यू विल बी ए पॉजिटिव, u इज नेगेटिव, सो साइन इज माइनस. माइनस एंड वैल्यू ऑफ u इज इक्वल टू माइनस, सो यू विल गेट -5 meter and 1.15 meter. Minus and minus is going to become plus 0.20. Hope you are able to get, and please repeat these sums 2 times. Now object 5 centimeter in size is please 25 centimeter in front of. You have to remember this. What is the type of mirror? तो ये कॉन्केव है. Now focal length is a 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should be a screen is a place in order to obtain a sharp image चाहिए मुझे. Find the nature and size of the image. Object size means h. As per the formula, h will be a 4 centimeter. पॉजिटिव में होगा. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस u is a 25 centimeter, but the sign will be negative. Focal length f, as I had already told you, focal length will be a negative, minus 15 centimeter. Image distance I have to find it out. Image size also I have to find it out, h dash. So s from the mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Now from this data is a very important. This calls in a data which you have collected from sums. तो ये यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे 1 upon minus 15.0 minus 1 upon minus 25.0. So it is going to become a plus minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 25. Here if I will take the LCM, one upon v is equal to minus 5 plus 3 upon 75. So I am going to get the answer is minus 2 upon 75. Once again, if I want to find it out v, then I have to write down 75 divided by 2. Sign will be a minus. So based on this, I am going to get half of this is equal to 37.5 centimeter. This step is a very important. Maximum time students make a mistake. They are getting the answer of this and they are getting a wrong answer and they are thinking that sum is tough. But just you have to reciprocate this. So v is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. Image is क्या होगा? Real आएगा. Also magnification m is equal to h dash by h, that is equal to minus v upon u. Now मैं ये चीज़ को साथ में ले लूँगा. तो h डैश, ये h यहाँ पे जाएगा तो माइनस वी एच अपॉन यू होगा. हियर दिस इज इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ ए मल्टीप्लीकेशन. तो माइनस 37.5 प्लस 4 अपॉन माइनस 25. तो इफ आई डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन दैट इज इक्वल टू 150 डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस की साइन लगेगी इसको. दिस साइन विल बी ए माइनस एंड माइनस 25, दैट विल बी ए 6. तो हाइट ऑफ द इमेज एच डैश कितना आ जाएगा? माइनस 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इमेज इज इन्वर्टेड एंड एनलार्ज. इन्वर्टेड एंड एनलार्ज. We have learned two sums as well as the Cartesian sign. This is a very important part among all for your reference here to solve is sums which has been given in a back exercise. That is sum number 12, 14, 15. These three sums you have to sort it out by your own. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on my mobile number 9638229462. Thank you for being with me. Tomorrow, now we are going to see about next particular part of this, that is relevant to the very easy, we can say, rather than that is relevant to the this is relevant to the reflection. Now next time we are going to see about refraction of light. Thank you very much for being with us. Hope that you enjoy this particular session, and please pass this message to your groups and friends also, so they can also get the benefit of this particular knowledge, and convey these numbers. It has been already given on that a logo. So if you have any doubt, or your friends is having any doubt, tell them to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for being with me.